On behalf of the Board of Directors of the Long Island Capital Alliance, I'd like to welcome you to our March 2014 Technology Capital Forum. I am Neil Kaufman. I'm the Chairman of the Board of LICA. I'm also a partner and the Chairman of the Corporate Department at Abrams Fensterman, one of Long Island's largest full-service law firms. We are really excited this morning, particularly because this is our first event of 2014, our 30th year of operation at the Long Island Capital Alliance. Thank you. As far as we can tell, we are the oldest continuously functioning venture capital organization in the country. We could be wrong about that, but that's the best we could determine. And we're very proud of the fact that through ups and downs, various stages of economic cycles, we have continued to help our local emerging growth companies raise capital. Over the years, we have played a critical role in assisting dozens of local companies raise hundreds of millions of growth capital, producing countless jobs, mostly because we can't really count them, but a lot. We've matched many seasoned executives with companies in crying need of executive talent, and on a combined basis, generated significant economic growth for the Long Island region. The Long Island economy has changed dramatically over those 30 years, moving from a defense industry-based economy to more of a service and technology-driven economy, and we like to think that we've played some role in that. Briefly this morning, after I'm done talking for a couple of minutes, we're going to have 6 companies make presentations of 7 minutes each, followed by 1 or 2 questions from the audience. After all 6 presenting companies give their presentations, we will then have a panel discussion with 4 industry investors. They're going to talk a little bit about the companies that we see this morning, talk a little bit about investment trends in the technology industry and whatever else comes up. We'll have some Q&A with the panelists and then wrap up the event. We do not have separate breakout sessions for the presenting companies during the pendency of the event. We ask that if you're interested in any of the particular companies, please talk to them afterwards. Everyone will be around after we wrap up the event from the podium this morning. I'd like to thank LICA's sponsors, the Long Island Forum for Technology, a longtime collaborator and sponsor of LICA, Carter DeLuca, Farrell & Schmidt, one of Long Island's leading intellectual property law firms, Insperity, one of the leading PEOs in the country, and my firm, Abrams Fensterman. Those are our platinum sponsors. Our gold sponsors are Citrin Cooperman, Executive Strategies Group, Ruskin Moscow, Deloitte, MarketWire, The Corridor Magazine, Grassi & Company, and the Suffolk County IDA. Particular welcome to Grassi & Company and the Suffolk County IDA, who are all new sponsors, both new sponsors of LICA. We continue to attract a lot of interest in the business community, and we have a few more sponsorship slots available if folks are interested. At this point, we'll start the event, and I'd like to introduce our first presenting company, Ringlead Inc. Presenting